Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a plumbing business website using Shopify. First, be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. So we're going to go over here on the top left to the products section, and here we're going to click on add product. Here we are going to start uploading all of the specifics for our service. For example, I'm going to start with my kitchen sink repair, and here you can see that for the description we can use the built-in AI of Shopify to generate a description. For example, I'm going to put plumbing business kitchen sink repair, and I'm going to click on generate. That way Shopify is going to give us a short description. We can either choose to generate again or just keep the one that it already gave us. I'm just going to click on keep, and next for media I'm going to click on upload new, and we're going to choose an image for our service. You can see here on the right we also have product type, vendor, collection, and a tags section. Here on collections, make sure to add it to your home page, and for tags, for example, we can put plumbing as one of our tags. Here for the pricing, for example, let's say that I'm going to charge around 20,000 pesos for my service, and for cost per item, let's say that it's going to cost me between materials and movement and all around 8,000 pesos each service. This is going to give us a 12,000 pesos profit at a 60% margin. Here, since it's a service, we're going to uncheck the inventory because we are not going to keep track of it. And also for shipping, we are also not going to assign any weight because it's going to be a service. So once we are done customizing it, we're going to click on save. And as you can see, when we go back, we would have our first service uploaded. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on add product again, and I'm going to click uploading all of the services that I want to be on my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. So as you can see, I have now uploaded all of my services. I added a toilet repair, a faucet repair, and also a full checkup. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to our online store right over here, and we are going to start customizing it. Now the first thing that we can change is going to be our theme. If we go down, you can see that Shopify has a few free themes that we can use besides the default one, and if we want to see more of them, we can click here on visit theme store, and it's going to redirect us to the Shopify theme store. Here we're going to have a lot of different themes. Some of them might better suit our website, but for me, I'm just going to keep with the default one for now. So once we are back over here, we're going to click on customize, and we're going to start customizing the sections of our website. Here, if we click over here, you can see that the sections are going to be outlined by a blue line, and on the top left, there's going to appear the name of the section. Here on the right, we also have a lot of different options to customize it. For example, this is our image banner. I'm going to select here so we can add an image to our banner. Once it's done uploading, we're going to click on done, and as you can see, the background image for our banner has now changed. Now there are a lot more options to further customize our sections, so feel free to play with them if you want. For me, I'm going to click on our heading, and I'm going to change the text to, for example, welcome to my plumbing website. As you can see, the name over here has now changed. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. Here on the left, we're going to go to template to add section, and here we're going to have a lot of different options: featured collection, featured product, collection list, rich text, etc. For me, I'm just going to add a featured product. As you can see here at the bottom, a new section has appeared, and on the top right, we're going to be able to select a product to be displayed. I'm going to choose my full checkup service, and that way, as you can see, the service is now being displayed right over here on the new section. Now let's say that we want to change things up. For example, we're going to change the color scheme for our section, and over here you can see that I have changed it to a nice dark theme. Now let's say that you have added a new section by mistake. For example, I'm going to click over here, I'm going to choose a featured collection, And as you can see, the new section is going to appear right over here at the bottom. And in order to remove it, we're going to click on it, and here on the bottom right, we're going to click on remove section. As you can see, the section is now removed. Another few things that we can do is that we can add sections to both our footer and also our header. If we click over here, we're going to be able to add an email sign up and a custom liquid to our footer, and also we can add a custom liquid and an announcement bar to our header. Now, another very important thing about our header is that right over here you can see that it says My Store. This is going to display our store name. So in order to change it, we're going to save our changes. We're going to go back and we're going to go to the home page of Shopify, and we're going to click on Name Your Store. Here we're going to be able to change our store's name. I'm going to put, for example, plumbing, and I'm going to save. So in order to make sure that we have changed our name, we're going to go to online store, and we're going to click on the three dots right over here and preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see right over here on our header, the name of our store has now changed. If we can go down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want. And once we are done, we're going to go back over here to the analytics and marketing section. This is going to be a really important section for us, guys, because we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and a lot of different things that are going to be really helpful for us in order to manage and customize our website all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we click on add discount, we're going to choose amount of products. We're going to be able to customize our own discount. Here we can choose to make a code ourselves. For example, I'm going to put plumbing 101, or we can just click here on generate random code, and Shopify is going to give us a random code for our discount. Here we're going to choose which kind of discount it's going to be. For example, I'm going to choose a percentage amount, and it's going to be around 10%. Here we can choose which collections or discount is going to apply to. We're going to click on browse, and I'm going to choose my homepage collection. I'm going to click on add, and as you can see now, this discount would work for all of my homepage products. Here we can further customize it. We can choose if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and also at the end we can click over here on set end date in order to choose an expiration date to our discount. So once we are done, we're going to click over here on save discount, and now we would have our first discount ready in order to post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.